In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change shipping on Squarespace. Whether you're updating your e-commerce site or just starting out, understanding how to adjust your shipping settings is crucial for managing your online store effectively. So let's dive right into the process. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Squarespace homepage. This is where your journey begins. From here, you'll see a login button. Click it. This is your gateway to accessing your Squarespace account. Next, you'll be given several options for logging in. For ease and security, click on Continue with Google. This will prompt you to choose among your Google accounts. Select the one that's linked to your Squarespace account. It's a quick and secure way to get in without remembering another password. Once logged in, it's time to access your specific website. You can do this by going directly to your site's unique URL within the Squarespace dashboard. Look for your site and click on it. This step is like finding your workspace. It's where you'll make all the magic happen. With your website open, it's time to navigate to the settings. Here, you're looking for the selling options to manage your e-commerce settings. It's a crucial area where you'll find all the tools needed to adjust your online store, including the shipping options we're here to talk about. Within the selling settings, find and click on Shipping. This section is dedicated solely to how your products find their way to your customers, a vital part of any e-commerce operation. Now here comes a bit of a detailed part. To adjust settings for specific shipping options, look for the three dots or More Options icon next to the shipping option you wish to edit. It's a small but important step towards customization. Clicking on Edit from this menu will take you into the heart of shipping management. This is where you can adjust the nuts and bolts of how you charge for shipping. Whether it's changing the country destination or adjusting the rate, this is your control room. As you adjust your settings, remember that clear and fair shipping policies can greatly influence customer satisfaction. Take your time to consider what works best for your business and your customers. Once you're done making changes, don't forget the most important step. Clicking on Save. It might seem obvious, but it's all too easy to make adjustments and forget to save them, leading to all that hard work going to waste. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to changing your shipping settings on Squarespace. Adjusting your shipping options allows you to offer better service to your customers and adapt to the ever-changing landscape of e-commerce. Remember to periodically review your shipping settings to ensure they align with your business goals and customer needs. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check back for more helpful tips and tricks to manage your online presence effectively.